Why did you do it? Harvey needed you. Why save me?
I haven't actually seen it yet. You've had me wrapped up this whole time. Numbed beyond belief. Maybe it's not that bad.
Our stock is tanking. The board is losing confidence. Wayne Enterprises needs a new face. Oswald Cobblepot.
You're the only ally I have in this building. It's important. I need you to be my eyes and ears.
All right, I can do that.
Keep Oswald out of R&D, and let me know if anything comes up.
You're a good man, Bruce.
I think you may have misinterpreted things.
Oh. Sorry.
Please, Selina, I have to tell you how I... Bruce?
You should come stay with me.
I'll think about it.
Dropped your pen.
That's not...
I think it's time you knew my real name. I am Lady Arkham.
You have to face the truth sometime.
Retribution, Bruce.
This place.
Get up. Breakfast.
Okay, I'm up.
For Christ's sake, put some clothes on. Doctor's making the rounds soon.
Doctor? What doctor?
Und damit sage ich herzlich willkommen zu einer neuen Folge von Batman, The Telltale Series. Boah, das letzte Mal haben wir die Bekanntschaft mit Lady Arkham gemacht. Und
God, I hope it's mine.
Und ja, jetzt sind wir hier irgendwo nach einer unschönen Sache, die wir nicht mitbekommen haben, aber wie wir es jetzt am Anfang gesehen haben, haben wir wahrscheinlich Oswald Cobblepot niedergeschlagen. Sind wir hier wirklich in Arkham, der Irrenanstalt? Arkham, sieht so aus.
This can't be real.
Das kann nicht wahr sein. Ja. Leider ist es so. Du wurdest mit diesem Gift du wurdest mit diesem Gift wie heißt es, infiziert.
Looks like someone was angry.
Oder nicht du? Wunderbar. Na super. Ach Gott, jetzt sind wir hier. Batman kann uns nicht helfen. Beziehungsweise Batman kann niemandem mehr helfen. Jegliche... Ich bin anständig. Haben Sie sich beruhigt?
Anything you need? Water, piss, rat poison? I've been asked for rope before. Not really allowed to give it out. Of course, I could make an exception for you.
You can tell me why I'm in Arkham Asylum for a start.
What, rich boy doesn't remember? Oswald Cobblepot? You beat him to a bloody pulp. Nearly killed him. Landed you here. Any of this ringing a bell?
Nein.
Might as well get comfortable. This is your home now. Time to meet your neighbors.
Aha.
As you were.
You look just like him. Your father ever tell you about me? How he sent me here? Left me to rot in this goddamn hellhole? Somebody's gotta pay for that.
Irgendjemand wird dafür
I
bezahlen.
hope to God there is a hell. I want your daddy to see what I do to you.
You really don't want to do this.
You don't know a damn thing about me, Wayne.
So, und ihr wisst nichts über mich. Ja, schon wieder. Okay, gegen zwei habe ich keine Chance.
The welcoming committee has really gone downhill around here, hasn't it?
What the?
Rude! Churlish! Not nice! How do you like it? You are pathetic!
Ist das der Joker? Das ist der Joker. Willkomen, the Batman.
Buddy? Oh, buddy.
Hey, komm her, geht's dir gut?
You okay? You don't look so grand. More like the opposite.
I'm fine. Just some bruises.
Alright. Tough guy. Nice.
What is going on in here?
It's like I told you, Doctor. These creeps were attacking the new guy.
Well, who did that? Was it you?
Of course not. It was mostly over by the time I got in. The new guy's tougher than he looks. Right, buddy?
Bruce, is that really what happened?
Go on, tell her.
Yeah, that's what happened.
We have a very strict no fighting policy here in Arkham. If you can't obey that rule, you're going to find yourself in hot water fast.
The orderly that was here before took money from these men and let them into my room. He gave them a taser.
I knew that you coming to Arkham could cause some excitement, but I didn't expect it to happen so fast. I'll do my best to keep you safe, but I need you to be careful.
Ja.
Us nice guys gotta stick together. Am I right?
Come to me if anything happens.
Safe. And how do you plan to do that?
You're hardly the first patient in Arkham Asylum to be attacked. I'm sure we can figure something out. I'm Dr. Joan Leland, by the way, head of psychiatry. I'll be overseeing your case personally. We'll get you transferred to a new room, Bruce. One that doesn't have your blood all over it. For now, follow me.
I'm sorry, I don't think I ever got your name.
Me?
He's never given his name out to anybody.
What?
We just call him John Doe.
Bingo.
Wir wissen genau, wer er ist. Batman, the Telltale Series, Episode 4 übrigens. Aber wie sie heißt, habe ich noch nicht gelesen.
John is one of our most improved patients. He's been with us for quite some time. I'm sure he'd be willing to show you around. Right, John?
Oh, yeah. I'll show him the whole 9 yards.
I think it would be best if you stayed by his side for now.
There's not enough black tiles, you hear me? There's too many white tiles!
Arkham Asylum.
You know, Doc, our last session was so enlightening.
That's good to hear. Your next evaluation is in a few weeks. I'm glad you're starting to
Und wir wissen, wer das hier ist, und ich kann es gar nicht glauben, dass er unser momentaner Freund ist. Jeden Tag.
I can't take taste anything! I want to taste!
Gotta be more careful, Bruce. Some of these guys bite.
Super, schön, dass du mir das jetzt sagst. Wäre ich nicht drauf gekommen.
You remember the first time you let me into the rec room, Dr. Leland?
How could I forget?
Also nach links und rechts kann ich nicht laufen, nur geradeaus.
Yes, well, betting patient.
No, you need to let me go. I have to warn the president. You're trying to kill me.
You don't know the president.
They don't like it when you try to use the phone.
That's because phones are for staff use only. No exceptions.
Stop that guy from trying. Such persistence. Wrong number, dumbass.
Wrong. I'll come by to check on you two later.
Don't worry about us, Dr. Leland. I'm gonna take good care of him.
Irgendwie vertraue ich dem Joker nicht. Auch wenn er jetzt hier glaubt, den besten Kollegen zu sein. Episode 4.
Welcome to Arkham Asylum.
Asylum. Huh.
Believe it or not, some of these people are crazy.
Verrückt.
But everyone's friendly, mostly.
Beschützer von Gotham.
Watch yourself around those two. Not a big fan of strangers. And just a little bit, you know, prone to outbursts of violence.
What did they do?
This is Arkham, Bruce! Use that sick little imagination of yours. Murder, mayhem, carnage, the usual. Let's see. On the couch, that's St. Louis. Ooh, shh. His favorite show's on. Never misses it. All right, friendo. Commercial break. Get up! Where is the remote? One of the orderlies must have taken it. Never fear, though. I'll go ask Leland. She likes me. Ooh, I almost forgot. Here.
What is this?
Oh ja, jetzt lässt mich der... Lol.
You got a bad case of the mind knives. I can tell. I can tell. Just shove off, all right? No mind knives for me. I already got my shots.
If that's the way the cookie crumbles. Cookie crumbs. That's it. Yes.
Ich versuche jetzt erstmal mit allen zu reden.
Louis, I swear if you don't shut up, I will.
Bringt sowieso nix.
Bruce Wayne, you've got quite a reputation around here. Taking your enemies out to stay on top. I like your style, kid.
Guy I walked in here with. What can you tell me about him?
John Doe?
John Doe?
A lot of folks are scared of him.
Yeah? And why is that?
Same reason folks are scared of tornadoes. They're chaotic, unpredictable. Not speaking as a professional, I find his work a bit sloppy. But he's certainly enthusiastic, I'll give him that much.
I solved the cookie riddle, not you. Sorry. It's his voice. It's driving me nuts. Oh, but you're already nuts, aren't you,
Ich rede nochmal mit Zusasts.
What do you want?
So what's the deal with that?
Well, this one was a homeless guy trapped in a hopeless life. This was a woman who just couldn't stop cheating on her husband. This guy wanted to kill himself, but didn't have the courage. All lost souls that I freed from their earthly woes.
Okay, yeah, that's enough. Thanks.
Wait, that's the move you're going to make, huh? Yeah. What? Why? No reason.
Entschuldigung. Ich kann mit ihm noch mal reden. Also ich rede noch mal mit ihm.
What do you want?
Ich weiß nicht. Ich weiß nicht, ob ich mit ihm über diesen Schlüssel reden soll. Komm.
Any idea what this opens?
How the hell should I know? Get that thing away from me. I don't want any trouble with the orderlies.
Okay. Sorry. So, wunderbar. Haben wir alles gecheckt.
Doctor says that's against the rules. For the
Nein, das ist nicht die Truhe.
Hey there, buddy boy. You missed me? I missed you.
Aha. Aha.
However, the threat remains. The children of Arkham are still out there, and I will not rest until these streets are safe and firmly under my control.
Never anything good on, is there?
Huh. Okay. Harvey im Fernsehen. Irgendwie glaube ich auch nicht, dass dieser Schlüssel hier passt.
Not the right key for this.
Ne, bevor wir jetzt da klopfen, werden wir hier uns noch ein bisschen umschauen. Bevor wir mit ihm reden, werden wir uns noch ein bisschen umschauen. Also trotzdem mal hier. Ansehen. Okay. Ich weiß ja, dass der Schlüssel nicht geht, aber ich versuche trotzdem, damit die Option weg ist.
Doesn't work there.
Ja, das sehe ich doch schon, dass es nicht funktioniert. Mensch, Bruce. Ach, das Ding ist immer noch. So, dann reden wir mal mit Sam Lewis.
I'm not really crazy, you know, in case you were wondering.
Well, don't worry, I'm not crazy either.
Yeah, right. You wouldn't be here if you weren't.
Das ist allerdings auch wahr.
Sure.
Okay. Arnold! Ja, grüß dich, alter Mann.
Hello.
Hello? Go away. Arnold's busy. I swear, if you bother him, I will gut you.
What can you tell me about, John Doe?
John? Nothing. I don't know anything. John? Ah, I love that guy. Makes me laugh. Want to know something weird? No one remembers the day John came to Arkham. Not even the doctors. They don't have any record of him ever being committed. You'd think a freak with green hair would be pretty goddamn memorable, right? But yeah, nothing.
Nichts da.
We could never do that.
Aha, interessant. Was denn jetzt? Ich habe noch ein paar.
Any idea what this opens?
Did John give you that key? Not this again.
Wait, not what again?
Nothing. Just go away. I'm busy here. You heard him. Beat it.
Genau. Aber ich will noch wissen, was das für ein Trick ist.
Nice trick.
Listen, pal. Arnold's had a tough time in here, and he doesn't need bullies like you making his recovery harder. So unless you have something important to say, get lost.
Bauchredner, das ist ja cool. Ach, ich wollte schon sagen, aber den kennen wir doch. Den kennen wir doch. Ja, hau ab. Nein.
Batman really did a number on this guy. Just let him be.
Ja, wusste ich doch.
Sorry, I can't talk right now. I gotta keep my eye on this guy.
Schlüssel gebe ich dem sicher momentan nicht, solange ich nicht weiß, wenn Schlüssel.
Every time. He cheats. Sees what I'm thinking. Mind control. Cheater.
I told you, if I could read minds, I certainly wouldn't waste my time on yours.
Oh, die haben ja Probleme. So. Das war der Auftakt. Entschuldigung. Das war der Auftakt zu Episode 1. Wie es weitergeht, liebe Freunde, was John Doe sagen wird, werden wir in der nächsten Folge sehen. Bis dahin, passt auf und haltet die Augen offen. Ciao!